Hi guys, today I'm going to share the music. I know it has been a struggle right now, like I got copyrighted for the music I played on it. I wanted to show this once. I know it is dusty right now because it has been a long time since I made a video. I wanted to showcase the beauty of these speakers with the K2, and they work perfectly fine. So I just wanted to give you a heads up that hey, this is going to work and it's an amazing thing. Let me start the music and you will realize how beautiful it is. So this was the music from this speakers only. There is no bars or anything like that, bass or anything like that. It's just played on this. I just wanted to give you a soundtrack of how it was. It's perfect. Believe me, it's perfect. It is great, amazing. I have been using it for almost 1 year now and there's been no issues with it. So kudos to Fosi, K2 for bringing such an amazing voice. I have not changed the system settings on this once. I kept everything on the Fosi B30 300 to the same, and K2 I put it as per my requirement. The bass sounds fantastic. There is no subwoofers or anything attached to it, but still it plays amazing. There is no hiss sound also. Last time I tested there was nothing, and after 1 year of use there is nothing. So an amazing product, amazing buy. You can buy it if you want to. Here you go.